So the second chapter of our syllabus is Robin. Robin is the name of a bird. As you can see in the picture, this is how he looks. White, orange, brown and light brown with dark brown here and there. So the words to know are autumn. Autumn is the season before winter when leaves fall from the trees. Of autumn खज़ां को कहते हैं और ये सर्दियों से पहले आता है जब पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं दरख्त से. Might means strength और strength का मतलब है ताकत. Praise means appreciate या offer thanks through worship. Appreciate किसी चीज़ की तारीफ़ करना, ऑफ़र थैंक्स शुक्र अदा करना, जैसे कि हम अल्लाह ताला की शुक्र अदा करते हैं, तारीफ़ करते हैं, क्योंकि दुनिया की सब तारीफ़ें सिर्फ अल्लाह ताला के लिए है और हम उनका शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि उन्होंने हमें इतनी अच्छी नेमतों से नवाजा है. Wintry means cold, like the winter season. So wintry and cold are synonyms. मतलब कि दोनों की मीनिंग सेम है लेकिन सिर्फ वर्ड्स स्पेलिंग्स डिफरेंट है. विंट्री का मतलब भी सर्दी, कोल्ड का मतलब भी सर्दी. तो this poem consists of 4 stanzas. Okay? So the first one is, Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. So the bird Robin is singing. He is even singing during the summer when the days are bright. He is thanking Almighty for the summer. That means that maybe summer is his favorite season because the days. So here Robin has started singing during the summer season where he is thanking the Almighty for the summer because the days are bright and the trees and leaves and everything looks pretty. Then the next season comes. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let's all give praise. Robin is singing in the autumn even though the leaves are shedding from the trees, but Robin is still being hopeful, telling everyone that at least there are fruits for everyone in the trees to enjoy, for the birds, for the humans. So let's all of us still be thankful for this weather too. In the cold wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. कह रहे हैं कि in the next third stanza, the Robin is still singing and the weather has changed. It is winter now. Now the weather has changed and it's winter time, and as you know during the winter the days are they go gloomy, it's dull, everywhere it looks whitish, and if it's snowing everywhere looks white. If it's not, then the season is gloomy, like the sky looks dark, the days seem long, the days seem short but the nights are long. So here Robin is singing that somebody must sing or winter will seem long. He is being hopeful. He is saying that somebody should keep singing, otherwise this winter will seem extremely long. And here the main important message that Robin is giving us is that not every day will be the same. Like the winters, like the season are changing from bright sunny day, it turned into autumn where the leaves are shedding and everywhere the trees are empty with fruits in it. Then comes winter where the trees and every place looks gloomy and dull. So Robin is trying to teach us a lesson, saying okay, just like the weather and the seasons are changing, same isi tarah it's with our lives. Okay, no day is the same. एक दिन we are happy, the next day we are sad, लेकिन हमेशा after being sad you experience happiness. कोई भी चीज़ permanent नहीं होती, it keeps changing just the way our lives do. इसी तरह वेदर की तरह हमारी लाइफ चेंज होती है कि अगर कभी कोई मुश्किल आ जाए तो वी शुड नॉट लूज़ होप एंड वी शुड नेवर बी अनथैंकफुल. कभी भी नाशुक्री नहीं करनी चाहिए, हमें हमेशा शुक्र अदा करनी चाहिए और ये उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए कि इस अंधेरे के बाद भी रोशनी आएगी. सो द सेम इज़ विद द weather season, weathers and the seasons, just like Robin is trying to tell us that when the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so, keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. Here Robin is saying कि see, just like I told you, कि keep on continuing whatever you do with hope and determination. Even the darkest of days will pass and again a new bright happy day will come again. So just as you saw, okay, first it started with summer, then it went to autumn, winter, where it came again back with spring. Spring, where the leaves are grown, flowers, trees, grass, everywhere looks lush and green. So Robin has taught us a very beautiful lesson here. Okay, we should never be unthankful, ungrateful for anything. We should always be grateful for everything that we have in our life, because after every hardship you get the fruit of what we deserve. And we should never lose hope, and we should keep on doing our hard work and be determined and just strive to achieve whatever we want in life.